Hello everyone, this is Stock Market Daily. Thank you for joining me today. It is Friday, March 17th, 2023. So, a little bit of a rough day for the markets today. After a nice run up yesterday, we didn't hold and we ended up selling off. You could see that the cash open was a lot of red candles where we tried to come back, never got to the opening high, sold off. This time around, we came back pretty much topped right as we opened, and right over here somewhere 10 o'clock I believe it was, data came out, and I'm not sure if that was just what caused the sell-off or just it wasn't able to break through this opening candle, and we ended up selling off for the rest of the day. We didn't go as low as the lows of yesterday, which is a good sign. And looks like the 3900 level was a key support level once and then twice for the day. So that's an important level. We should make a trend line here. Obviously, we kind of just know that this 3900 level is a mental number that everybody's looking at, but always nice to have a nice little trend line here just in case. So then let's take a look at the trades that are placed today. So the three calls here that were rolled over from yesterday expired worthless today, which is a good thing. Now I did have a put that was at 39.30, I believe it was. I did place another put right at the same level. I had another put at 39.10, which I bought back, and I had another put at 3900, which I let expire worthless. There's a lot of good premium that I collected on these sells and the rolls as well. So those two puts that I rolled, you could see they're right here. I rolled them to 3900. I felt I could have rolled them lower, but I felt like that's a good number to, I wanted to collect more premium. And this premium was jumping around at the end of the day, and I made the trade at the end of the day. It was like $800 per share, per contract, I mean. And then it was like 200, and then it became about 500. So I pulled the trigger at 500 and made the roll and collected $500 per contract here. So let's take a look at this. So 39.30, that's one of the puts. It was kind of an aggressive placement of the put. I collected $970. 39.10, I collected $560. This was a roll on Meta shares, Meta stock. Options. There was a $6 collected on that. Now we have the 3900 put. This is when the market starts selling off a little bit. So I decided to enter my last put, and another roll on the Airbnb options here, two of them. This was a roll of Shopify. It's Friday, so there's some options that are expiring, and I needed to roll them. So that was another $190. Interestingly enough, TD Ameritrade would not let me roll it, so I had to buy it back at $1.28 and resell it manually at $1.47. So usually there's an option where you could just place a rolling strategy, and they were not allowing it, and I couldn't get anybody in support, so I just ended up buying it and then buying it back and then selling it. Here are the two puts that I ended up rolling until Monday, $500 credit, and here's a 39.10 put that was bought back at $40. So all in all, it was a pretty good day. The total minus this buyback of the put is $3,300 for today. So again, it goes to show you that even if you're rolling positions, I mean, as long as you're comfortable with the level, which I am right here, and it is two options, and I'm comfortable holding two options overnight, over the weekend. I know that we could wake up on Monday and the market could be way lower, but it is two options. I know I could take one of these and break it up, and then I could take the other one eventually and break it up. So I just wanted to collect more premium. I let it sit at this 3,900 level, which I know is going to be kind of a main level here for the next either few days at least, or maybe even a couple of weeks. So, and honestly, the more we stay around this level, the easier it becomes to trade, because you see where all of the where all the support and resistance levels are, and I didn't have really a big problem of leaving it at 3,900. I know we can go down way lower. I mean, we're at 38 here only yesterday, right? But at the same time, or not yesterday, that was Wednesday. But at the same time, I have a feeling that we're going to be hovering in this vicinity somewhere. That this might have been a pretty big low. Obviously, everything can change with the banking news that's going on. But I feel like a lot of that stuff is already out in the open. Everybody knows the issue, and I'm not as concerned about holding the puts. So anyway, that was it for the week. I think over the weekend or maybe Monday, I'll do a mid-month kind of snapshot of what I collected in total for the month of March so far. My trades should be settled for this week, probably by tomorrow. So either on Monday or this weekend, I'll do a video where I'm gonna show the performance for the month of March. Stay tuned, subscribe, and please like the video. I appreciate you watching. I do these every day. If you're not subscribed, please do so. All right, thanks. We'll see you Monday or maybe an episode this weekend. Thanks. Bye-bye.